Studying for my A-levels at school, and I'm singing.
At school, Sean is a star on the rugby pitch.
I play rugby 3 or 4 times a week. I really love it.
And Sean's rugby mates have come with him today to support his true passion, singing.
I've been singing for, basically as long as I can remember. I've done little things. I've never sung at anything this big. It's all well and good. My nan's saying that I'm good, but she's a bit biased. I think my mates and stuff are the most important thing. I think that's when I get more nervous, because I could get ripped to shreds.
So, desperate to impress his mates in the audience and the judges, it's time to see if Sean has got the talent to make it all the way to the Royal Variety.
Be like an absolute dream come true, like singing in front of the Queen. You can't get much higher than. Hopefully today's the first day of the rest of my life.
Hello.
Who are you, please?
I'm Sean Smith.
What's your act, Sean?
I'm singing.
OK, and what's your ambition? To sell records? To win this?
To make other people happy. Right through singing.
Nothing to do with the money, Sean.
Pardon? Nothing to do with the money? Oh, I could do with a new car. You know.
OK, when you're ready.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, 'cause she's always gone too alone. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. If she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, 'cause this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, 'cause she's always gone too long anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
Sean, I genuinely wasn't expecting that. I tell you who you reminded me of is Mick Hucknall, but good-looking.
Good job you added that on the end.
And a personality. Actually, I have to say, you've got a very, very authentic sounding voice as well. And you didn't make that sound karaoke. I think you're really good.
Thank you.
Well, I've got to say, I thought you were really very, very good.
Yeah, so did I. My only criticism is, take your hand out your pocket, believe in yourself.
Oh, for God's sake.
No, because his body language is saying, I'm crap. And his voice is saying, I'm brilliant. I am saying, believe in yourself because you're good. Your body language is saying something else.
That's part of his appeal.
Arguing again.
Simon, yes or no?
Frank Sinatra was up there now. You'd be, I don't like your tie. It's a yes.
Piers?
Definite yes from me.
Let's make it 3 yeses.
And it's a yes from me, Sean.
Well done, mate.